Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming the account type because the path differs for work versus personal accounts. Once signed into account, Microsoft.com, go straight to your info and then manage how you sign into Microsoft. Make sure you can receive mail at the new address. You'll need to verify it. While here, do not remove the old email yet. Add the new alias first so OneDrive keeps permissions intact and you avoid losing access to shared files. Next, add the new email as an alias and request a verification code. This proves you control that address. You'll receive a verification message, open it, and enter the code on Microsoft's site. Once verified, promote that alias to primary so OneDrive and other Microsoft services recognize it as your main sign-in. Make sure to wait for confirmation. Changing the primary alias updates credentials across all linked services, which is why you promote first, before removing anything else to keep continuity for shared links and permissions. After setting the new primary alias, sign out of OneDrive on every device and sign back in using the updated email so sync tokens refresh. Check a few shared files and links to confirm permissions carried over. If something looks wrong, reshare or reassign access. If you can't change the email because it's controlled by your organization, contact your admin. Organization policies may prevent alias edits. If verification emails don't arrive,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.